talk about these contacts because they are bomb. This is from Malongwe's. This one is, I guess they're fresh tone. I'm gonna put it like over here somewhere what contacts these are because it's been a while and I forgot what they are called. I'm going to go in with primer and I'm gonna use my eyeshadow primer from Forever 21. I'm gonna try to go in with this burnt orange color right here. I want it to be like really pink, you know, pink-esque. So I'm gonna go into this color right here. We're gonna have to go into this color right here because I don't want it to be black, but I want it to be deep enough to where you can actually like kind of see something in that corner. Okay, so to cut my crease, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer because I feel like this one is a more watery consistency. It's not creamy or anything, so it's not gonna be too heavy for a cut crease. I'm gonna set with this color right here. I'm gonna clean out the outer edge of my cut crease because I got a little bit carried away on this side. I'm gonna go into this hot pink color right here. I try to put Skip right in the middle to kind of blend everything in and to add some more pink to this look. I decided that it's only right that I add glitter to this look, so that's what we're gonna do. I got my glitter primer from NYX, and I also have this loose glitter from JCat. We're gonna start off with the glitter primer, of course, and then I'm going to go into the JCat glitter and just put that on. Alright, so one eye has all the glitter that it could possibly take right now. So we're gonna have to do the other eye, and I'm already regretting it. But it's fine, everything's okay, okay? Everything's fine. Alright, we'll get through this together. It looks super glam. Like, this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. I've never done a glam eye like this. Like, I'm like shimmering, shining, splendid. Alright, so since I'm not going to put on a liner, I'm just going to put on some lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, so I put these lashes on. They are from Your Lash Bar. They are my favorite lashes on this earth, like hands down, and they're really affordable and they're black owned, so boop, boop, boop. I'm going to prime my face with my Fenty Beauty primer. I have the little one because I didn't have enough money to buy the big one yet. Then I'm going to use my ColourPop foundation mixed in with my Fenty foundation, and this is in the color 420, and then this one is Deep Dark 190. Now to contour, I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, and I'm going to use this chocolatey color in the middle. So for highlighting, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter, and this one's in the color 390. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty setting powder, and this one is in the color Banana. I'm gonna go, oh my god, I'm gonna go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm gonna go into that middle color right there, because this used to be my contour color, but it's clearly done. So I'm gonna go into this middle color right here. We are going to blend everything out now that I've contoured. I'm gonna go into this color right here. So we are gonna go back into that palette, and I kind of want to do just one color type of thing. So I'm just going to take, let's try Skip first, and if Skip doesn't work out, then we'll go into that color right there. So Skip first. I'm gonna go in with this color on the outer corner. We want some inner corner highlight though. So we have to go into another Morphe palette of mine, and it is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collaboration palette. And I think this one is Bling Boss. And I'm gonna go into this color right here. I'm gonna go into mascara, and I'm gonna use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Some fake lashes, like on the bottom, like just little spare fake lashes. So I added those lashes on, and it's looking really cute. So now I'm gonna add some lips, and lips are hard. I feel like I should just do something nude.
I'm gonna use NAM Cosmetics liquid lip in grape.
Okay, so because I don't know how I feel about the lip color, like I like the lip color, but I feel like it makes my lips look really weird because it's too like mauve for me. So I'm gonna go in with ColourPop and Ellery's collection in the color Anyways. So for highlight, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby. This is the finished makeup look. I really like how everything came out. I'm really proud of myself. I actually did an eye makeup look, and it didn't get too crazy. You guys probably think it looks like trash, but anyway, I really like how this came out. I hope you guys did too. Please leave me a thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you like. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be in this corner. I feel like it's gonna be in this corner, or I'm gonna put my little bubble head right here for you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.